right? Numericals based on valency of ions. Good morning, Abhirami. Right.
Good morning, sir.
Question 1, all of you write. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Oxygen is 8. Mr. Johan, tell me atomic number means Z or A. What is the symbol? That's what I will feel. When I ask something, you have to say at least yes or no, or don't know. Something you have to say. Yes, Tejaswini, what is the atomic number of oxygen? This symbol Z or A. What is that? Z. So, atomic number of oxygen is 8, right? And mass number, what is the symbol?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
16. Calculate the electrons. Like this question surely will be there in our final exam. Calculate the electrons, protons, valency, and neutrons in O2 minus. O2 minus means what ion? Anybody tell me?
Cation, sir.
Name, Hari, I am asking.
Oxide, sir.
Oxygen oxide.
Oxygen iona, oxide iona. Anions, you'll add something prefix. I told you so many times.
Oxide, sir.
Oxide ion.
Oxide ion. Keep it in mind. Oxide ion. Understand, Hari?
Yes, sir.
So before going to solve this question, actually this question looks very easy, but this is what so many things are there. Now, before going to solve this question, keep a note and write some points. After that only we will solve this question. Mr. Hari Krishna, are you writing? Mr. Johan, at least for that you say yes or no, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So note, first write. So we are having two things. Before loss of electrons or gain of electrons, we used to call atom. After loss of electrons or gain of electrons, we used to call what, guys? Yes, please.
Ion.
Ions we will say. Yes or no? So before loss of electron or gain of electron, atom, and after loss of electron or gain of electron, ion. Keep it in mind now, in any atom, all of you remember, number of protons is equals to number of electrons. Keep it in mind that. Clear, everybody? Number of, if in any atom, always number of protons is equals to what? Everybody? Number of electrons.
Number of
Now, in ion, number of protons is not equals to number of electrons. Maybe greater or maybe lesser. Are you clear? That is also I will say make more clear you people. Remember, if it is a cation means positive charge and negative charge. Harini, at least that tell me charge alone. Positive or negative? Cation means everybody. What charge it is? Positive charge. So here, number of protons is greater than number of electrons. Are you clear what I am saying, everybody? Mr. Sanjay Khanna? Yes, please.
Yes,
Cations will form by loss of electrons or gain of electrons. Everybody.
loss of electrons.
Loss of electrons. So that number of protons is more. That is what you have to remember. See, more than this much in detail, no one can. But still, if you are not, you cannot. Next, anion. Anion means what charge? Negative charge or positive charge? Negative charge.
Negative charge.
Number of protons, less or more? Less than number of electrons. And next, all of you remember, atom and ion. Two people are the same. Can you tell me who is the two people? I'm asking like in the sense of atomic, subatomic particles. Atom and ion, electrons are not equal, but who is equal? Atom and ion. Both, yes, please. No. Number of protons are equals to number of protons. Do you understanding? This is in atom and this is in where? Yes, please.
Ion.
Ion. Understanding? Who is not same? Electrons is not same, but number of protons is always same. Number of protons is same way. Some other is also same. Number of
Neutron.
protons is also equal, both in atom and as well as in Shruti. Understanding, Shruti? Anything doubt? You can ask me. It's very clearly, neatly we're writing. So these many points we are writing. Now just everybody make it and make a box for it before answering to this question. And those who know also, just have a look at once and read once. That's all I wanted. Read one, just 2 minutes of time. Make a box properly and just read it. If you read this, surely we can answer any question from this. That's what my feeling. Mr. Kaushik, good morning. Can you hear me? Good morning, Akilan. Yes, please. Are you clear now, everything? Everybody? Anything doubt?
Yes.
Yes. Now you can see. With based upon this, we'll proceed and we'll write. And they are saying atomic number of oxygen is 8 and mass number is 16. So let us take first that. So given atom, what is the given atom, everybody? Given atom or given element. What is that element?
Oxygen, sir.
So oxygen. What is the symbol of oxygen? Fastly. 8. Correct? Sorry, O. Z. Atomic number how much, Amma? Z will come down or up?
8, sir.
And oxygen, yes. Atomic mass how much? 16.
16.
That is what you have to remember. Now, as I told you, Z is equals to what? We all know. Z means what? Everybody. Number of
Protons.
number of protons. So, how much protons? Protons are how much? 8. In atom. 8. I'm talking about in atom. Clear? Next. Number of electrons in an atom. Number of electrons also equals to what? Number of protons in an atom. In an atom, who is equal? Check it, everybody. Number of protons equals to? Yes, please.
Number of electrons.
Number of electrons. Next. If you want to calculate number of neutrons, I told you one formula. Can you tell me what is that formula? Number of neutrons is equals to, all of you remember,
A minus is
mass number minus atomic number. That's all it is. That is what you have to remember. Tell me what is the mass number? 16. Atomic number is 8. So that, what is the number of proton? Number of neutrons? All of you. Number of neutrons?
8, sir.
8. That's all. Mr. Johan, are you understand? Everything clear? This is in atom, not in ion.
Yes,
but the given thing is, they're asking in ion or atom. Check it, everybody. Ion or atom? Yes, please.
Ion, sir.
Ion. Now, ion, oxygen. Either it is losing the electrons or gaining the electrons. I want the answer from you. Either it is losing the electrons or gaining the electrons. Yes, please. Last class I taught. Oxygen will receive how many electrons? Shruti? It will
2
receive
electrons.
electrons and it will turns into O2 minus. Understand everyone? This is what will happen. So this is atom and this is ion. Now tell me which ion it is, cation or anion? All of you.
Anion, sir.
Anion. Ma, anion. Negative charge, ma. Negative charge is anion. Positive charge is cation. Clear? Now, observe here and tell me. In ion, who is same? Protons and neutrons are same. Who is not same? Who is not same? Electrons are not same. Next, it is anion. Anion means who will greater? Electrons are greater or protons are greater? Verify it.
Electrons are greater.
How many? Electrons are greater. Now see, here electrons are 8 and here 2 is adding. So total electrons are how many? Number of electrons in ion. Everybody.
10, sir.
Number of electrons. How many amma? 2 is adding. So before 8 are there. Now 2 you are adding. Totally how many?
10, sir.
10. Yes. Next. During chemical reaction, who only involved? Electrons alone involved. Then protons and neutrons are what? Remains?
Same.
What?
Same.
So that we all know that atom and ion, protons and neutrons are remain same. Protons and neutrons are remains same. So Mr. Johan, can you tell me what is the number of protons in oxygen? Here we have done. Check it. 8. Number of neutrons also 8. So that can I write directly, Mitaksri? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So I will say, yeah. Tell me, Omar. Number of protons is 8. Number of neutrons also 8. Anyone having anything doubt in this? You can ask me. Are you clear now how to calculate? They will give the atom and they will ask you to calculate the ion. So you have to be very careful. And always remember any element, X is the symbol indicating the element name, Z is at subscript, and A, mass number is at superscript. Z is atomic number, E is at subscript, and A is a mass number, is at superscript. That is what you have to remember. Okay, so write it fast, everybody. Good morning, Mr. Danishkar. Aswin Balaji. Yeah, please make it. Everybody. Have you understood? Yes, please. Harini. No response. That's what it is. Okay, do it fast, everybody. Shall we start? This question completed, everybody. That is who is missing. Danishkar, Omar is missing. Next. Arun and Gokul. Hare Krishna sound, please mute yourself when you are speaking only you can.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. So make it everybody. Completed. Once it's over, I will go to next question. That's what I'm saying. Next question is even little bit more tricky. Unless you have knowledge, you cannot. Shall we start? You need time, means tell me, I will give you. Otherwise, I'll go to the next question. Rohit completed, Rohit? Johan?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Right, next question. Can I say? Right. A metal forms cation. A metal forms cation. Can you tell me now cation means loss of electron or gain of electron? By this time, let me see at least.
Loss of electrons.
Loss of electrons.
Loss of electrons, everybody. So loss of electron means it will get positive charge and negative charge. Mr. Danishkar, Sanjay,
Positive charge.
positive charge. Very good. Right. A metal forms cation X3 plus. I don't know that metal. I am not even giving. So X3 plus. Can you tell me now how many of you will say it is loss of electron or gain of electron? If it loss, how many electrons? If it gains, how many electrons? Yes, please. Everyone you can write at least. If you are not able to speak also. Yes, please. I said it is X3 plus. Means let it be it is a some metal. Either it will lose the electrons or gain the electrons.
Lost
To
electrons.
loss electrons,
It
sir.
will lose the electrons. So it is X3 plus means it will lose how many electrons?
3
Three
electrons.
Three
electrons.
3
electrons.
electrons. That is what you have to remember. Okay. So X3 plus having K and L shell fields. So they are speaking about ion or atom. That's what I want. Is they are speaking about ion or atom?
Ion.
Ion. If its mass number for ion and atom, is it same or different? Mass number.
Different.
Same, sir.
Same. Mass number is same. Atomic number is also same. It is not going to change for ion and atom. I forgot to say that points also. Add here, everybody. Atom and ion, all of you write. Atomic number is same and mass number is also same. Is it okay now? Everybody? Because protons and neutrons is always remains constant. Is it okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please don't forget that. Atom and ion, protons and neutrons is always remains constant. Is it okay? Yes? Please make it that. So, if its mass number is 27, if its mass number is 27, then calculate the number of electrons, protons, and neutrons. That's all it is. Is it okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all it is. So find it. First, given one is a ion or atom. That you tell me.
Ion.
Ion. So now verify it. So ion given cation is X3 plus, indicating that it lost how many electrons?
Three electrons.
3 electrons. Are you clear? And after losing the 3 electrons also, having K and L shell are filled. Means K shell. How many electrons we can fill, Mr. Gokul? Danishka?
2
K shell is 2
Two, sir.
electrons. L shell is how many?
8 electrons.
8
Eight
electrons. And it lost how many electrons?
3 electrons. 3
3 electrons. So totally, what is the number of electrons in atom?
13.
Anybody? So
13 electrons.
number of electrons is equals to, can you tell me, anybody, please respond.
13 electrons.
Number of electrons is equals to
Number
electrons of K shell plus electrons of which shell? Electrons of
L shell.
L shell plus one more thing will come, Mr. Noor. Sanjay, can you tell me what is that? Lost
Valence
electrons. What is the lost electrons?
3, sir.
3. So totally, which is equals to what? 2 plus 8 plus 3. How much, guys?
13.
13. Yes, next. We all knows in an atom, in a neutral atom, number of electrons equals to something. What is that?
Number of protons.
Number of protons. Number of electrons is equals to number of protons. A number of protons equals to something. Can you tell me what is that? Number of protons equals to? Yes, please.
Atomic number.
Atomic number. Atomic number, what is the symbol? Is Z. So, number of electrons are 13. Number of protons are also 13. So that atomic number is also what, Amma?
13.
13. Clear, everybody? Any doubt? Anything you can ask. Now, at last, number of neutrons. What is the formula? Number of neutrons? I told you so many times. Number of neutrons. Yes, please. Is equals to mass number minus atomic number. So mass number they given in the question. Check it. What is the mass number they given? 27. So we know atom and ion. Who is always remains constant? Just now I told. Atom and ion. Atomic number is constant. And next what? Mass number.
Mass number.
mass number is called.
Yes. So number of neutrons is equals to mass number 27 minus atomic number 13. So 27 minus 13, how much, guys?
14, sir.
14. So at last you can write number of electrons E minus. Next, number of protons P plus. Next, number of neutrons N 14. So I don't think so. More than our explanation and our answer, even we cannot even find in Google also. So that much clearly we are writing, that much neatly we are solving. So kindly solve very carefully. When you are answering the question, you must have entire knowledge. That's what we are making the note and we are doing. This all the note. Every time it has to be run in our mind, even 10th, 11th, 12th also, everywhere this is the basic thing. So you must be able to know this basic to do better. Even stoichiometry and all, when you are solving higher classes, balancing, definitely this all will be useful for you there. So to make your fastness, that is what it is. So solve this question. Once this question over, we'll see the next question. Write it. Any doubt anywhere? Anyone please ask me. Danishkar, understand? Danishkar, Shruti, Ashwin, Balaji. Right. If I'm going little fast, please ask me. At least in chat you say, sir, little slow, so that I'll slow down. No issues. If you have doubt anywhere, ask me. I'll say again. But I need that you must be able to do that. So the next question, if it is over, the next question is. Shall we go to the next question, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Completed, Johan? Respond.
Sir.
Okay. Have you written everything? Mr. Kaushik, I'm calling you. This is second time. Right, next question, everybody. Calculate the number of electrons protons in Ca2 plus. Ca2 plus, again cation or anion?
Cation, sir.
Cation.
Cation.
So loss of electrons or gain of electrons?
Loss of electrons.
Loss of electron.
So while calculating number of electrons, we have to add electrons or remove the electrons?
Add electrons.
Add electrons. Keep in mind that. Okay, do it. Ca2 plus. If it is negative anion, we have to subtract the electrons. Is it okay, guys? Yes, please. Atomic number is 20. Calculate the formula of its phosphate 2 also. That is also question. Again, chapter 3, interlinking. Calculate the formula of its phosphate. Okay, right. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we start? Right. See now, given ion. What is a given ion? Everybody see it? Yeah. Yes, please. Positive ion or negative ion? Verify it.
Positive.
Positive ion. So it will lose the electrons or gain the electrons?
Loss electrons.
Loss electrons. That is you have to remember. Okay. Now solution. Let us see. Given. So given, if you'll observe the question, you'll find the two informations. One is ion is cation. So what is that cation? Ca2 plus means it lost how many electrons, guys?
2 electrons.
Lost 2 electrons. Now one more thing also says its atomic number is 20. So means atomic number means what, guys? We all know. Yes, please.
Proton.
Z. Z is equals to 20. So in atom or ion, who is always remains constant? Protons.
Ion.
Protons are
Neutrons.
neutrons. That is what you have to remember. Okay. Now, I will say the from here. I will say the next formula also here. You might be seeing. So based upon that, you will understand. So all of you observe. Number of electrons they are asking. In which they are asking calculate the form. See here. Calculate the number of electrons, protons in Ca2 plus. But before question, what we did? Observe here. Before question, what? A metal forms a cation X3 plus having K and L selfie. If mass number is 27, then calculate the number of electrons, protons, and neutrons in metal atom. Please add the question. In metal atom, not in ion. You understand, Harish? Are you clear? If
Yes,
it
sir.
is ion, electrons should come what? -3 should come. Is it okay? Yes, at least say yes or no.
Yes,
Now
sir.
the question they are asking, find the number of electrons in this ion. Ion means we have to remove the electrons or add the electrons. Positive, check it here. In this ion, we have to find the number of electrons. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to. That's what Hari I said. All of you remember, if they are asking, find the number of electrons in calcium atom, we have to add the 2 electrons. They are asking, find the number of electrons in this
Remove the electron.
ion. So that what we have to do, guys?
-3.
Minus.
Okay. Number of electrons in Ca2 plus. I am writing Ca2 plus to make you very clear. I'm finding electrons in ion or atom. Verify it.
Ions.
Ion.
Ions.
So Z minus number of lost electrons. Is it okay, Harish?
Yes, sir.
Z means what? 20 minus it is 2 plus means how many electrons lost?
2
Two, sir.
electrons.
2 electrons. So what is the total number of electrons in calcium ion?
18.
18 electrons. That's all it is. Write it. You understand the question, Sanjay Kana? Tanishka? Yes, from this we will form the note also. One more note. Write it. Next, number of protons equals to whom? We all knows.
Number of electrons.
Number of electrons gone. That is atom. I am asking number of protons equals to something. What is that?
Atomic number, sir.
Atomic number.
That is. So that number of protons are how many? 20. Clear everyone? Yes. That is what you have to remember. That is what they are asking. Only electrons and protons. And after the second question, what is the second question? Read. Calculate the formula of its what? Of its phosphate. So with the calcium phosphate, what is the formula will come? What is the compound will come? At least tell me that. Calcium and phosphate. So that both combined, what will come? Calcium phosphate. Calcium plus phosphate, calcium phosphate will come. That is what you have to remember. Okay. Now see your chapter 3 and tell me what is the valency of phosphate? Calcium, this is, and phosphate. What is the symbol of phosphate? Harish?
4.
PO4. PO4. Now, what is the valency? Tell me. What is the valency of calcium?
2, sir.
2.
Two,
Phosphate.
sir.
Phosphate.
3, sir.
3, sir.
So
4,
now,
sir.
which method it is? Johan?
Crisscross method.
Crisscross
This is
method,
called,
sir.
this one is called as crisscross rule. Yes, Mr. Akilan, are you doing? Crisscross rule. So tell me what is the formula?
Ca3PO42.
Ca3 PO4 twice. Calcium phosphate. Write it. Any doubt anybody can ask. This is what the question. Complete it. So this is how we have to solve. After this, we'll write one note also. After that only we'll go to the next concept. Write it fast. Any doubt in this question you can ask. Right. Please mute. Somebody making sound. No